AI-driven analytics, and they're helping media companies gain insights from data. And then this is where the business of entertainment, right? So how it can help the analytics. So some of the use cases how AI-driven analytics in media and entertainment are. So number one, forecasting distribution revenue and predicting content trends. So this is a big deal, right? So you have seen in Netflix where you go there and it shows these are the trending topics, trending movies, trending videos, those kinds of things are there, and then they are also helping Netflix to help forecast the distribution revenue, right, and predicting content trends. So that is one area AI's analytics is big time helping. The second use case in this area is optimizing content personalization algorithms. This is a big deal. This personalization aspect, I've seen it on the floor extensively. So what this service providers are doing is they're developing AI based content personalization tools that use predictive algorithms to connect viewers with TV and film content they're likely to enjoy based on their viewing history, right? So make it very special for me. When I go there, I don't have to search. There are things that are shown to me which I could choose to watch or skip over. And the next use case in this analytics area is analyzing distribution agreements. I mean, this is a little bit on the back end, I would say. So, but media companies can deploy AI powered applications to automate the process of managing and analyzing content licensing agreements, right? So otherwise, manually people have to go through these agreements, but AI can help and expedite and make it, very quick, right? So this is where centralizing agreement terms in a single database, making agreements searchable to accelerate lookups, and mapping agreements to distributor payments. So all those areas, AI can help.